When disaster strikes, your instinct might be to flee. However, bugging in or sheltering in place is often the safest course of action. Your home offers familiar surroundings and supplies. Evacuation routes can become congested and dangerous. Staying put eliminates travel risks and exposure. Bugging in allows immediate access to resources. You have food, water, and medical supplies. Familiarity with your home provides security. This sense of control is crucial during a crisis. In many cases, bugging in offers the best chance of survival. Transforming your home into a resilient base camp is crucial. Identify potential hazards and address them proactively. Secure heavy objects, establish escape routes, and install smoke detectors. Stock up on essential supplies like food, water, and first aid kits. Aim for at least a 2-week supply. Organize your supplies efficiently for easy access. Reinforce your home's security by strengthening doors and windows. These measures deter intrusion and provide peace of mind. When a shelter-in-place order is issued, swift action is crucial. Time is of the essence, so having a predetermined plan is essential. Gather your family and pets and bring them inside immediately. Lock all doors and windows securely. Next, turn on your radio or television to a local news station for updates. Information is power during a crisis. Follow the instructions provided by authorities carefully. Remember, staying calm and informed is crucial in these situations. Water is essential for survival, making it critical to collect, store, and purify it. Identify potential sources around your property, such as rainwater collection or a nearby well. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. Use food-grade containers and rotate your supply. Boiling water is the most effective purification method. If boiling isn't feasible, use filters, tablets, or bleach. Section 5. Neighbors United. Safety in numbers. In times of crisis, community cooperation is paramount. Connect with your neighbors, establish communication channels, and discuss needs and resources. A strong neighborhood network enhances safety and resilience. Organize watch programs or buddy systems for mutual support. By working together, you create a safer and more resilient community. Section 6. Fortress Home. Perimeter security for bugging in. Securing your home's perimeter is crucial for deterring potential threats during a bug-in situation. Start by assessing your property's vulnerabilities. Trim overgrown shrubs, install motion sensor lights, and consider a sturdy fence. Reinforce entry points by upgrading to solid core doors, adding deadbolt locks, and securing windows. Keep a fire extinguisher readily accessible near each entrance. Prepare defense equipment, such as pepper spray, a baseball bat, or a firearm, if you feel comfortable and it's legal in your area. However, prioritize de-escalation and avoid confrontation whenever possible. Section 7. Inner Sanctum. Creating a safe room. Designate a safe room for added security during a bug-in. Choose an interior room with minimal windows, preferably on an upper floor. Reinforce the door with a deadbolt and consider a barricade. Stock it with essentials like food, water, and a first aid kit. Keep noise down and cover windows to avoid detection. Section 8. Fire and sparks. Staying safe when off-grid. Fire safety becomes paramount during a bug-in situation, especially when relying on alternative heating or cooking methods. Ensure you have working smoke detectors and fire extinguishers on each floor of your home. If using candles or lanterns, place them on stable surfaces away from flammable materials. Never leave open flames unattended. Keep a bucket of sand or dirt nearby to extinguish small fires quickly. Familiarize yourself with your home's electrical panel and gas shutoff valves. Know how to turn off utilities in case of an emergency. Section 9. Eyes outside. Assessing vulnerabilities. Regularly assessing your home's exterior for vulnerabilities is crucial for maintaining security during a bug-in. Walk around your property and look for any potential weaknesses, such as loose fence boards, broken windows, or overgrown vegetation. Check the functionality of outdoor lighting and motion sensors. Replace any burnt-out bulbs or malfunctioning devices promptly. Establish a central command center within your home where you can monitor the situation, communicate with family members, and store essential documents and supplies. Section 10. Cooking without power off-grid meal prep. Losing power doesn't mean going hungry. Prepare for cooking without electricity or gas by having alternative methods on hand. Invest in a camping stove, propane grill, or rocket stove. Practice using them beforehand. Stock up on shelf-stable foods that require minimal cooking, such as canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and energy bars. These provide essential nutrients and calories. Consider learning basic food preservation techniques like pickling or dehydrating to extend the shelf life of perishable foods. Section 11. Food Preservation, Making Supplies Last. Conserving your food supply is essential during a bug-in situation. Start by using perishable foods first, followed by refrigerated items, and finally, shelf-stable goods. This strategy minimizes waste. Familiarize yourself with food rotation principles, using older items before they expire. Store food properly in airtight containers to prevent spoilage and deter pests. Learn basic food preservation techniques like pickling, dehydrating, or canning to extend the shelf life of your supplies. Section 12. Stay fueled. Hydration and nutrition for survival. Staying hydrated and well-nourished is crucial for maintaining physical and mental well-being during a bug-in situation. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Consume regular meals and snacks to keep your energy levels up. Focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide sustained energy, such as protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption, as these can dehydrate you and impair judgment. Section 13. Stealth cooking, staying hidden while cooking. During a bug-in situation, it's essential to maintain a low profile and avoid attracting unwanted attention. If you need to cook outdoors, choose a discreet location away from windows and potential observation points. Use cooking methods that produce minimal smoke and odor, such as a rocket stove or solar oven. These minimize the risk of detection. Cook during daylight hours whenever possible to avoid drawing attention with artificial light sources. Section 14. Water-wise, alternative uses and sanitation. Water conservation becomes paramount during a bug-in situation. Explore alternative water sources for sanitation purposes, such as rainwater harvesting or collecting water from a nearby stream or river. Use hand sanitizer when possible to conserve water for drinking and cooking. Implement water-saving strategies, such as taking short showers or using a bucket to collect shower runoff for other purposes. Practice safe waste disposal methods, such as burying human waste in a designated latrine or using a composting toilet. Section 15. Calm and collected, managing kids and staying fit. Maintaining a sense of normalcy and routine is essential for children's well-being during a bug-in situation. Engage them in age-appropriate activities, such as board games, storytelling, or arts and crafts. Encourage physical activity to burn off energy and reduce stress. Set up an indoor obstacle course or have a dance party. Remember to address their emotional needs as well. Provide reassurance, listen to their concerns, and maintain open communication. Section 16. Staying informed, the power of radio. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio is an invaluable tool during a bug-in situation. It provides access to vital information, such as weather updates, emergency broadcasts, and news reports. Keep your radio tuned to a reliable news station, such as NOAA Weather Radio or a local AM/FM station. Conserve battery life by listening for updates at designated times. Consider investing in a weather alert radio that automatically activates during severe weather events. Section 17. Pause for safety. Prepping for your pets. Pets are part of the family and must be included in your bug-in plan. Ensure you have enough food, water, and medications for your pets. Create a safe space for your pets at home to provide security during stressful times. Section 18. Prepared to stay, the bug-in advantage. Bugging in offers several advantages over evacuation, particularly if you have adequate preparation. You have immediate access to your prepped supplies, you're familiar with your surroundings, and you can avoid the risks and uncertainties of travel. Staying put allows you to maintain a low profile and avoid potential dangers outside your home. You can control your environment and implement security measures to deter threats. By bugging in, you can focus on your family's well-being, conserve your resources, and weather the storm from the safety of your home. Section 19. The Bug-in Blueprint. Planning for success. A well-thought-out bug-in plan is essential for ensuring a safe and successful experience. Start by identifying potential risks specific to your area, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires. Create a checklist of essential tasks, including securing your home, gathering supplies, and establishing communication protocols. Review and practice your plan regularly with all household members, including children and pets. This ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities.